quality. If you're aging, these Milwaukee ones, they're like, these knee pads are probably, I don't know, $20 more than a regular set of ones. And they are heavy duty and pretty awesome. So they don't sponsor us yet, but we're working on it. So you want to leave about a 1/4 inch cap. And hopefully, I haven't done this in a long time. I just do sales now, but in a perfect world, your installer never hits your baseboard. If we, KC Floorworks, hit your baseboard, we, KC Floorworks, will get it taken care of for you. So that's a gamble that all of our installers take, but that's also something that separates us from other people. So we pay out the best in Kansas City, to my knowledge, for 2 reasons. One, the happier the installers are in your home, the better quality work you're going to get. They're going to go that extra mile for you. And then on top of that, they're also not going to be damaging your property. So, as one of the owners, I used to install myself personally for about 7 years before starting the business. So I make sure everybody does it my way, which in my opinion is the best way. This is a trade with a lot of opportunity for a lot of shortcuts, and shortcuts are not the way we operate. Alrighty. So the concrete tack strip uses shorter fat nails. Again, this is cheap tack strips, so these aren't even relevant to what we typically would use for concrete. But the concrete nails also have a tendency to fall out, so Hadley's going around picking up the little nails. We put that piece of tack strip up too. This little one here is trash, baby. Just real quick too, wood tack strip will look the exact same. Nails are a little bit longer, a little bit skinnier. They stick into the wood a lot better. But since we're using materials that we already got, that we don't really use in customers' homes, we're going to go back through and we're going to staple it down with a stapler. So this won't take very long. Sis, I need some staples, babe. Just another heads up too, when companies sub out their installations, which I'm willing to bet 95% of people do, we don't supply, for the most part, any store doesn't supply their installers with the materials they use. So again, if you're paying for a cheap install and someone comes through and they're the lowest price, you're probably going to get this cheap tack strip. And once your tack strip comes up, or these little pins stop coming out, or honestly, there's probably less pins per linear feet in this compared to a good tack strip. I'll actually make a video later in our installer's work trailer. I'll get a piece of the good tack strip that he uses and compare it. I'll make a little video out of it. That'll be fun. But other than that, they're not going to go through, cheap labor is not going to go through and make sure that this is good. But truthfully, this is kind of the bones to everything. So now I'm going to have Sis come in, sweep all this, we'll vacuum it up, get all the dirt up, and then we'll install the pad. You ready, babe?